Hi, my name is Chet and today I want to show you how to change the battery in a Lexus Key fob. For this you'll need a few items. A screwdriver. I have got a 1.2 Phillips head screwdriver on there. Batteries. In this case they are the CR1632s. You'll need something to take off the battery cover, something to pick the battery out as well. In this case, I'm using my iPhone SIM tool. You'll find links in the description for the batteries and the tools that I use. Here we have the fob and the new battery. Take out the manual key. Simply push this, pull this that way, and then it ejects like that. The next thing you need to do, it can be a little bit stiff on some of them, but what you have to do is you simply push. You push and it slides out. Now remember, this only works on the key fobs that have the curve, as you can see there. The other ones, I think you just pop off the cover. What you've got here now is you've got 4 screws. They're 1.2 Phillips head, and on here engraved is the battery that you need. So I'm going to take this off, take out the screws like so, and keep them somewhere safe. Like that. These are all the same size. Just pop that off. And then the battery is kept in place with this little plastic. There's a little plastic thing here that keeps it in place, but on the opposite side there's a slight little space where you can just put in a tool to pop the battery out, and it pops out like that. Then you simply place the other battery in, being careful to slide it underneath that plastic bit, and now that just simply sits in place. Then you do everything in reverse. Again, all you need to do is just put this here and slide that across, reinsert the key, and now you can see little red lights, nice and bright. And that's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe.